How to fix Telegram not sending code problem in your iPhone. So the first step is you need to make sure to check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Once you have verified, you're gonna need to simply open up your app store and make sure to search for Telegram. And once you search for Telegram, you're gonna need to make sure to update it. Now once you have updated your Telegram, the next step is you need to reset network settings. So simply open up your settings, and then you're gonna need to simply go to the general, and then you need to simply scroll all the way until you see transfer or reset and click on reset all settings. Now once you do so, you need to also make sure to disable any kind of VPN that you are using right now, and make sure to restart your phone, because sometimes a simple restart can oftentimes resolve these kind of glitches. At the end, you need to make sure that your Telegram notification is turned on. So simply open up your settings, and then you're gonna need to simply scroll down until you see notifications. Simply find your Telegram from this list. Once you find this, simply click on it and make sure to allow notifications. So that's the way of how you can fix Telegram not sending codes problem on iPhone.